When people think of mental health issues, many associate that with just adults. Experts say that is not the case.
Over the last decade, the number of kids and teens struggling with mental health issues has grown. Alexis Carpello talked with one mom who begs other parents don't ignore the signs.
When you lose someone to suicide, especially as a mom, guilt just consumes you and it sets in.
Zachary was a Harlem High School freshman the year he took his life.
He was like the happiest kid, always smiling, always laughing. He was always the one that would come in and say, "I love you, Mom," at night.
Laura Rodriguez, Zachary's mom, wants parents to pay close attention to their child.
Within the last month that he was alive, he was basically like in a self-destructive pattern. And we've always been really open to communicating and to talking about things, but it wasn't until 2 weeks before his death I found out that he was having issues.
According to the Winnebago County Health Board, over the last decade and a half, youth mental health has been on a downward slide.
Particularly since around the 2007 mark, and that's been demonstrated to be somewhat of an interesting milestone because it's right around the explosion of social media.
A lot of kids in today's generation, because of the social media, they do normalize that. To them, it's normal to see that somebody's hurting and they just shrug it off as like, oh, they're going to be fine.
The board is working to improve youth mental health services in the county. From funding to access, it's identified 5 areas that need improvement.
Engagement and educating the community about children's mental health was also noted as a key area for improvement. Particularly around engaging parents and families and trying to improve mental health literacy.
From Rodriguez's personal experiences, so does she.
What I've learned throughout this process is the importance of being open and talking about whatever issues are happening, but try to help them see tomorrow so that they don't have to focus on the today.
In Winnebago County, for your home team, I'm Alexis Carpello.